There are a lot of data analysis tools available in Excel which are not loaded automatically. So what you need to do in this class is make sure that you have data analysis installed in your Excel. To do that, you go to the tab File, pick Options, and click on Add-ins. I am illustrating this using 2013 on a Windows platform. If you have 2010 or earlier, the way you do this is different, but you still have to go to where you do the add-ins. That part stays the same. So data analysis is part of your add-in. And same thing for Mac users. You have to find your add-in. When you click on add-in, then you click on Analysis Toolpak and you say Go. And several things appear. At least you should click the Analysis Toolpak and say OK. If you did this correctly, when you click on Data, Data Analysis will appear on the right-hand corner. And you're going to really need this to do most everything that we would do in this class. Once in a while, you would see that this will disappear. I don't have any explanation why. If that happens, just go through the process again.